It was many and many a year ago, in a kingdom by the sea, that a maiden there lived, whom you may know
by the name of Annabel Lee, and this maiden she lived with no other thought than to love and be loved by me.
I was a child, and she was a child, in this kingdom by the sea, but we loved with the love that
I and my Annabel Lee, with a love that the winged seraph of heaven coveted her and me.
And this was the reason that, long ago, in this kingdom by the sea, a wind blew out of a cloud, chilling my beautiful Annabel Lee,
So that her high-born kinsman came and wore her away from me to shut her up in this full crest in this kingdom by the sea.
the angels, not half so happy in heaven, went envying her and me. Yes, that was the reason, as all men know.
In this kingdom by the sea, that the wind came out of the cloud by night, chilling and chilling my Annabel Lee.
But our love, it was stronger, by far than the love of those who were older than we, of many far wiser than we.
And neither the angels in heaven above, nor the demons down under the sea, can ever dissever my soul from the soul of the beautiful Annabel Lee.
For the moon never beams without bringing me dreams of the beautiful Annabel Lee. And the stars never rise but I feel the bright eyes of the beautiful Annabel Lee.
I lie down by the side of my darling, my life and my pride. In the sepulchre, there lies the sea, in the tomb by the sounding sea.
Gulat kayo, ano? Boom!